Welcome to Mind Body Hacks. Today's topic is winter health hacks, shielding yourself from the 5 disruptive winds. Hey, welcome. If we haven't met, I'm your host, Liz, and I am one of the modern day healers. I'm going to talk to you today about the 5 disruptive winds, how to know if you got them, and how to get your body back into balance. If you're ready to begin, then let's do it. I can't believe that we're already halfway through the first month of the new year. Time is going by so quickly. The other morning, I took my dogs out for their walk and discovered that it was about 2 degrees outside. That reminded me that this would be a great time for the 5 disruptive winds to come into my body and create havoc. In ancient Chinese medicine, the 5 disruptive winds, also known as the 5 winds or 5 devils, are energies found in our environment that enter through the body through tears or weakened areas in the aura or biofield. As the cold wind whipped around my head, I thought about how the wind could carry illness into my body using the meridians as their pathways. These portals are called wind points, specifically behind my ears, neck, and the top of my head. There are more points throughout the body, but it was the cold wind that brought this to my attention. Here are some of the signs that the winds have entered your body for the winter season. If you have a cold or the flu, you're experiencing joint pain, odd stomach aches, mood swings like unexplained anxiety, sadness, or depression. For the winter element, some of the signs that the wind has entered are a feeling of a bone-cold chill, loss of energy or fatigue, and lower back pain. To help prevent the mischievous wind from entering your body, wear a scarf, a hat. You can also strengthen your aura or biofield by tracing large figure eights into the air and stepping into them. I know it sounds a bit strange, but go ahead and give it a try. This is actually one of the things we do to boost the radiant circuits. So if you're not familiar with that specific energetic system, it's all about our joy and self-healing. Creating those large figure eights and then stepping into them really bolsters and strengthens your aura or biofield. What you might want to do too is to back in to allow those figure eights to penetrate the back part of your aura as well. You can also strengthen your spleen meridian by holding these acupressure points. If you start at the very top of your big toe and trace along the outside of your foot until you reach the beginning of the bone of the ball of your foot, you will have reached spleen 2. To find heart 8, you're going to start between your ring finger and your little finger on the palm of your hand, and it actually intersects with the heart line, if you're familiar with that in palmistry. What you're going to feel when you hit that intersection point is you're going to feel a little dent or divot. When you feel that, you definitely know that you're in the right place. So you're going to hold the dent there with the tip of your middle finger in one hand, and with your free hand, you're going to go back and you're going to hold the spleen 2 point. Remember, it's just before the bone on the outside of your big toe. You're going to hold 2 of these points for about 3 minutes, and then you're going to switch to the other side and hold again for 3 minutes. In order to integrate this energy into the body, what you're going to do next is you're going to hold 2 more acupressure points. Super easy. It's the spleen 1 point and the liver 1 point. And they're found at the very bottom and base of the big toenail on each corner. So I will show you on my left foot, pardon the pun, of how to hold those. With those points, you're going to hold them for about a minute or so. That's it. That's all you need to do to strengthen, bolster your spleen meridian. Another benefit about doing that is it really boosts your immune system and it balances all kinds of things. It balances how you metabolize your foods, your thoughts, and it's just, if you can get into the habit of doing that, it's such a cool thing to do. This is a great way to stay healthy during the winter season. Don't forget your scarf and your hat. If you want to dive deeper into the 5 winds and how to tame them, you can go to whitesandsenergymedicine.com to book a session with me, or subscribe to my channel so you won't miss the next episode in Soulful Conversations. I so look forward to working with you, but until that time, please know that you are loved, and namaste.